Prophet Harun, peace be upon him, is mentioned approximately 20 times in the Holy Quran. On the night of Miraj, the Ascension, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, greeted him with peace, and he returned the greeting. After that, the Prophet proceeded toward the sixth heaven. There, he met a great prophet whose name is mentioned the most in the Quran, 136 times, and that prophet is Musa, Moses, peace be upon him. The life of Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, is considered one of the most interesting and extraordinary stories in human history. Even today, books, comics, and even major Hollywood films are inspired in one way or another by the story of Prophet Musa, peace be upon him. Characters such as Superman, Harry Potter, and many others reflect elements drawn from his story. These fictional stories have earned billions of dollars, so just imagine how great the original story of Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, truly is. The story begins when Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him, became the prime minister of Egypt. He settled his 11 brothers in Egypt as well. For many generations they lived there, and gradually they became one of the strongest and wealthiest communities in Egypt. However, seeing their growth